The corruption case against suspended ANC Secretary-General Ace Magashule and his 15 co-accused will resume at the High Court in Bloemfontein today. The accused, including 5 companies, have been charged with fraud, corruption, theft and money laundering relating to a 255 million rand contract for the assessment and removal of asbestos housing material. For more on this, let's cross over now to our reporter in Bloemfontein, Aphumelele Mdlalane. Aphumelele, good to have you. What's expected to take place in the courtroom today?
As usual, we are expecting outside court here in Bloemfontein a hive of activities from the ANC supporters that usually come in supporting the suspended Secretary-General Ace Magashule. But inside court last time, it was of course postponed, whereby both parties were given an opportunity to be ready for a trial. They were in court, of course, whereby we heard also that there were some documents that were pending, given that we are dealing with a big case here involving 16 accused, Ace Magashule being the 13 accused. This is an asbestos fraud and corruption case emanating from 2014, a tender whereby the Human Settlement gave out the tender, and the people that were involved in the business include Edwin Sode, businessman. He is also one of the accused. We're talking about the Black Hand diamond trading. Also, they were in conjunction. It was a combined business to make sure that there's eradication of this 255 million rand tender. But to date, in the Free State, we still see the asbestos houses. We've been talking to even the people that are still staying in these asbestos houses, whereby others are still saying that even now they have the health problems. We are here now just to understand whether the both sides, which is of course the state as also the defense, whether they are ready for a trial. But the state has always maintained that they have a strong case against the accused, also saying that with their key witness, with is the then former PA of Ace Magashule when he was the Free State Premier here, who is Moradi Cholata. They saying that, of course, it's their key state witness. When we were here in court in August, we heard the defense, of course, questioning that, saying that Moradi Cholata was at the state capture, giving, of course, founding she was giving there the information that was needed, of course, that was implicating Ace Magashule. They were questioning that it is as if now the state is using what was said already at the state capture to be standing as, of course, evidence here in the High Court. But we will of course hear what is now expected from the defense side, as well as of course the state, whether they are now ready for trial. But today is pre-trial. Both parties should say whether they are ready to continue to proceed. As we know that a pre-trial, the 6 weeks break before a trial can start the case. But all I can say is that we see already the law enforcement here. Everyone is combat ready, and also the entrances leading to the High Court, they are barricaded with barbed wire. Law enforcers already on the ground, like I did mention, as we are expecting a hive of activities from ANC supporters before court starts at 9 o'clock.
All right, Aphumelele, we'll definitely be crossing in with you again there outside the court, and you can see lots of police officials there and heightened security ahead of that hearing. So 9 o'clock it begins, but certainly we'll be crossing in to our reporters that are situated there, including Aphumelele.